I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. I don't know why. You love that summer rain in mid-July, mid-July. My last name fits you better. When I'm with you, there's no pressure. I miss your worn-out sweaters. Weather couldn't compromise our love. I spent too much time on us, and I think you got me stuck on loving. You can't function. I gotta tell you all my secrets, and you know that just ain't easy for me. Oh, baby, won't you come to my town? Last time around, you ain't come to my house. Stay for a while, me, my mama, and my family. We'll see, let's see. I think I've fallen.
Okay, so now that I got my breakfast all set up, got my second cup of coffee to wake up officially, I am now going to do my next essential step in my weekly reset, Sunday reset, whichever you want to call it, but all of those include doing content, planning, and just planning out my week in general. I love to just take time. Normally, honestly, I do this every day, possibly, if something like ends up inspiring me that I see while I'm scrolling on like my explore pages on my social medias or anything like that. But I am going to sit down and plan out my YouTube videos specifically. I have food, so my dogs are all over me now. Draco, you're so pretty. Oh yes, so pretty. There's a dog barking, so he's kind of in a mood. I mean, y'all just couldn't be any more in the way if you tried. Yes, I know, you're so pretty. Oh, do not. She's so angry because I won't give her any of my food. You need to calm down. Draco. So for YouTube planning, what I really like to do is just go on my homepage and my subscriptions and just see what everyone else in my niche is posting. Specifically, what kind of videos I like to watch is ultimately what I'll go with and put into my calendars. Because for me, I've noticed that if I'm not making the content that would even keep my attention, or that doesn't make me feel creative or inspire me, then I'm not going to make videos at all. A lot of people go with like trends, and I feel like that kind of leads to burnout for me. If I'm not making videos that, at the end of the day, I wouldn't be sitting here in my room doing my own thing, having in the background, or taking interest in putting on and really engaging with, then I don't really make those videos anymore for myself, because I'm just really tired of getting burnt out, and I'm really tired of just not being true to myself content creation wise. And I really enjoy YouTube, and I feel like it's a really good creative space as far as like really putting input and time into the form of content you're making. But I really like YouTube a lot because you have the most creative freedom to, the editing, the filming, everything is like on you, and it's a lot more extensive than TikTok, where it's like, now they have 3-minute videos, but like who really watches those, unless it's like a story time, or not a lot of people. It doesn't keep people's attention. It wouldn't keep my attention. So there again, I think like if I don't watch it, I'm not going to make that content, because like if it doesn't do well, I'm gonna be really upset because I did put that time into it. But it's a whole thing. You have to learn your creative process. You have to learn like what you like. You have to learn like what your followers like in a sense too, because at the end of the day, they're the ones that are going to watch it. But I really enjoy YouTube a lot, and I just never gave myself the time to really get invested with it and really put my time and effort into it. And now that I'm here, now that I feel a lot more stable, I'm definitely going to. But I really like to just sit here and see what everyone else is posting, see what catches my attention, like I said, and kind of think like, okay, if I was my subscriber, if I just myself, I'm sitting down to watch a YouTube video, would I watch this? And would I enjoy creating this? Keeping up with trends and all that stuff just isn't for me. And I don't know, I just have to make stuff that I generally enjoy watching myself and that in turn inspires me to make that. So I'm gonna sit here and do that. For the actual planning process, I would like to use Google Calendar because it's just not as concrete as like a paper calendar is, and I hate the look of like when I plan something and I have to scribble it out and everything looks messy, and it just really bothers me. So I really enjoy using my Google Calendar for that reason, and I can color coordinate my my ideas to like different meanings. Like red for me is YouTube, the purple is TikTok, the green is Instagram. Like, I don't know, I'm just really crazy like that, I guess you could say. So I really enjoy using Google Calendar for content planning. And then also I have GoodNotes, which GoodNotes isn't free. It was like $8, but again, it goes on like all my products, so I don't really mind the price. But I have little notebooks for YouTube, brands, Instagram. Create is more like my to-do list. And I really enjoy this too because I still can get the feeling of writing something down and writing my ideas out. And then I can like cross it off. It's very satisfying. I like to make my to-do list on here specifically because then I can just, I don't know, I have it on all of my phone and my iPad, and I can see it throughout the day and just scratch things off. When I get more in depth, when I've really locked in a YouTube idea, I'll go to my YouTube notebook in my GoodNotes and really write out like an outline, I guess you could say, for that video idea. And it just really helps me get like the creative process down exactly and know exactly what I'm going to go into filming instead of just kind of like, I don't know, winging it. So I'm gonna sit here, enjoy my breakfast, enjoy my coffee, turn Hannah back on. I don't know if you follow Hannah. She's like more TikTok, I guess you could say. I really enjoy her like videos. She has a lot of like OOTD type of stuff. But I'm gonna turn Hannah back on and sit here and plan out my YouTube video.
I don't know why, you love that summer rain in mid-July. I think that we're overdue. You and I know that we'll make it through.
I just had the weirdest moment of when I was like putting dates on things, or like morning routine 2021, things like that. So I was saying 2021, and I realized by the time I upload this, it's going to be 2022. I mean, this year has been like really crazy for me, so I'm kind of hoping for like a little bit more relaxed of a year next year, as far as personal life goes, but we shall see. I just cannot believe that it's already over. I mean, we started out this year in Hawaii, and then I went home to South Carolina, and Riley was at basic in South Carolina. Then we moved to Georgia. We lived there until literally last month, and now we're here in Colorado until 2024. I just cannot believe that. I don't know. Where did the time go? I mean, they got married last year. They got married in December of last year, and then now here we are, living in our first city station already, and I don't know, I just can't, it's just crazy. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm very happy here in Colorado. This is like I said, this is the best. I feel like this is the best that I've been mentally for like a couple years now. And so I'm very happy to be here. 2022, exciting. Anyways, I am editing also today. It is Sunday, or it will be Sunday coming up soon. So I'm editing my move vlog part 2 right now. So if you haven't seen that, I'll put it up here. But I'm gonna edit that today as well. And I also have a couple's morning routine that I filmed. So I'm very excited for you guys to see that one too. I'm gonna try to get these move videos out of the way. Quite possibly, if I feel like I'm on track or on top of like my videos enough, I could move into 2 uploads because I have quite a lot of stuff that I want to get out before we get too far into January. And I feel like once a week is a little too spaced out because I want to get this move vlog out of the way. And then I'm also filming today. I'm filming a what I got for Christmas. So clearly I want to have that done and over with before we get too far into January also. So we'll see how I feel. But as for right now, I'm going to finish planning and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Draco's got a little friend. Excuse the chair being there. The little dog right here, she's a girl, and Draco, they try to dig to each other. So I put that chair there to block her and him from getting to opposite sides. But she loves to jump the fence, so probably won't help anything other than keeping Draco out of there at least.
Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing, than a long life spent in a miserable way. Because the moment you have a situation where you are really in control of things, that is to say, in which the future is almost completely predictable,